right? And I think so that's one problem um, where technology is being seen as a replacement for an adult who needs to be able to facilitate learning. And I think there DeFi can play a really critical role, and it does, right? The second that you say that the thing that we want to prioritize with technology is more connection rather than less connection, right? For instance, that's a beautiful idea to me, because that's exactly what it should do. It should give kids more exposure, right? Exactly as you were saying before, these kids have tremendous potential. And when you give them access to people, they will take on the learning themselves, right? So they will absorb ideas, they will absorb energy, they will absorb like cultures, they will like, they'll get to all of that. So I think that's the other really big, I think, potential challenge with technology is how to use it as a force for connection as opposed to a force for disconnection from between human beings, right? Among human beings.